Hey everyone, welcome back to our awesome channel today. If you've ever thought about starting your own online store but didn't know where to begin, you're in the right place. The world of e-commerce can seem overwhelming at first, with so many platforms, tools, and strategies to choose from. But don't worry, we're here to simplify the process for you. Whether you're looking to turn a hobby into a business or expand your existing brick-and-mortar store online, this guide will provide you with the essential steps and insights you need to succeed. Today, I'm walking you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to start your own e-commerce business in 2025, from finding a niche to making your first sale. We'll cover everything from market research, choosing the right e-commerce platform, setting up your online store, to marketing strategies that will help you attract and retain customers. We'll also delve into the importance of customer service, managing inventory, and analyzing your sales data to make informed decisions. So grab a notepad, hit that like button, and let's get into it. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap to launching and growing a successful e-commerce business. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your existing strategies, there's something here for everyone. So, let's dive in and start building your e-commerce empire today. Your niche is the foundation of your entire business. It's what you sell, and it defines your brand's identity. Choosing a niche isn't just about picking a product, it's about understanding the market and your potential customers. You need to know who you sell it to. This involves researching demographics, understanding customer needs, and identifying gaps in the market. The more specific you can be, the better. Picking the right niche can mean the difference between a thriving brand and a money pit. A well-chosen niche allows you to focus your marketing efforts, build a loyal customer base, and stand out from the competition. On the other hand, a poorly chosen niche can lead to wasted resources and frustration. Take the time to research, analyze, and choose wisely. Ask yourself, who are my customers? What are their pain points? What are they already buying? And how can I offer something better or more unique? Before you order 1,000 units or build a fancy website, make sure people actually want what you're selling. If even 10 to 20 people say they'd pay for it now, you're onto something. Not all e-commerce businesses look the same. Your model will determine how you source, sell, and ship your products. Choose the model that fits your time, budget, and goals. Let's make things official. Registering your business not only keeps you legal, it also builds trust with your customers. This is your storefront. It needs to be clean, fast, and easy to navigate. Where you get your products matters. You want suppliers that are reliable, cost-effective, and high quality. Even if you've got the best product in the world, if it arrives late or damaged, customers will leave bad reviews and never come back. Alright, your store is built and ready, now it's time to go live. Traffic doesn't magically appear, you need a game plan to get people to your site. Once you're live, the real work begins. This is where data becomes your best friend. And that's the full roadmap to launching your own e-commerce business in 2025. We've covered everything from the initial planning stages where you brainstorm your business idea and conduct market research, to setting up your online store and optimizing it for search engines. We also delved into the importance of social media marketing, email campaigns, and customer engagement strategies to ensure your business not only launches successfully, but also thrives in the competitive e-commerce landscape. It might seem like a lot, but take it step by step, and you'll be way ahead of the game. Remember, every successful business started with a single step. Break down your tasks into manageable chunks, set realistic goals, and celebrate small victories along the way. Consistency and perseverance are key. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Each challenge you overcome will make you a more resilient and knowledgeable entrepreneur. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on building online businesses and passive income streams. We regularly post videos that dive deep into various aspects of e-commerce, from advanced marketing techniques to the latest industry trends. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all the tips and tricks you need to keep your business ahead of the curve. Plus, your support helps us create more valuable content for aspiring entrepreneurs like you. Drop a comment if you have questions, or let me know what kind of store you're starting. I love hearing about your entrepreneurial journeys and the unique ideas you bring to the table. Your feedback and questions also help us tailor our content to better meet your needs. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, digital products, or anything in between, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's build a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about e-commerce and ready to make their mark in the digital world.